Oh, frosty.
Me too. Me too, hot dog. But what do we do?
I don't know.
Hey, guy, come in here. This lemonade's awesome. You should try it.
Okay, I'll try
Come
it.
on.
Let me come.
Come on. Whoa. Yeah, man, hands on. That was not nice.
This is really good.
My turn. Get off. Get off. Wow. That was
my turn
nice.
again?
No. It's my turn.
It's my turn. Hey, why is it my turn?
Hey, you have your own. She has her own.
Is it my turn yet?
Mm-mm.
Is it? Is it? Is it? Ow.
All right, guys, that was our little puppet show. Puppets. It's Keegan here and eily.
Yay!
And we have the 3 of our favorite Skylanders that volunteered to do the puppet show.
Hot dog.
I'm the only.
Is that animal legs? Oh, come on. Not leave some semis though.
All right, guys. So that's it. Peace out. Wait. What's the peace sign? Yeah, peace sign. Peace. We have a new one though. We have a new one. Peace. If we have Skylanders, peace.
Peace. Hey, you're on my head. Ah.